One day every week, we come together for fun and engaging education. These are called Discovery Days. The skills workshops focus on both hard and soft skills. Subject matter experts from within our committee deliver interactive sessions to help you build fundamental career skills for the 21st century.
We're learning a bunch of skills and a bunch of lessons that aren't covered in high school. So we learn empathy, we learn communication skills, relationships. So I think just realizing that these skills are crucial and that you can work hard to develop them.
The mentor-centered career conversations will introduce you to numerous successful people from a wide range of industries, careers, and backgrounds. Through the questions and conversations that come up, they will help shape your understanding of the skills required and the day-to-day realities in a variety of fields.
They would say things and tell their own stories, and then throughout their conversation I would just be like, that's so me. I feel like I am this person.
The mentors are highly motivated within their careers, and I think they're all very passionate about what they do, and they find a lot of joy and significance.
And then you can be able to reflect on what might that be for me.
Micro-coaching is an exercise we use to develop our communication skills each week. It involves 3 roles: interviewer, interviewee, and observer, who provides feedback.
So I use my listening skills to try to engage them and try to draw the answers out. Before I was more focused on telling them what I thought and sharing my opinions, but now I've learned the value of really trying to learn from the people I'm talking to.
Every Discovery Day closes with a group roundtable discussion. These discussions will enable you to ask questions, express your feelings, and develop your reasoning skills with your peers and a facilitator.
The afternoon discussions were where I learned the most about reflecting and how to apply the workshops that we were doing and the skills that we were learning. We really worked through, in conversation, real-life examples of our own lives.
Once a month, you and your peers will embark on an adventure in the community. These fun off-site days are filled with career exploration and team building. You can always count on Discovery Days to leave you with something new to think about, feeling engaged, inspired, and ready to keep learning.